Pringles is one of the world's most beloved snack foods, and an amazing example of what happens when science meets nature to improve the potato snack. But how exactly is it made? Let's find out. Harvesting potatoes. The journey begins with the humble potato. Pringles sources its potatoes from farms, selecting only the finest ones for processing. Did you know that Americans eat an average of 125 pounds, 11 kilograms of potatoes per year? That's a lot of spuds. The potatoes must meet strict criteria for size, smoothness, and absence of disease before moving to the next stage. Screening and washing. Before entering the production line, the potatoes go through meticulous screening and washing. Specialized machinery removes dirt and debris, ensuring only the highest quality potatoes are used. Workers inspect and discard any defective potatoes. After this, the potatoes undergo a thorough washing process, ensuring they are clean and ready for the next step. Peeling, shaping, and frying. Next, the potatoes are peeled and washed again. To create stackable potato chips, Pringles uses a blend of 1/3 water to 2/3 potato flakes, along with a bit of cornstarch. This mixture is spread on a conveyor belt, shaped into ovals, and then fried in hot oil at 200 degrees Celsius for about 11 seconds to get that crispy texture. The chips are then blown dry to remove any excess oil and shaped into their famous saddle shape. Seasoning and packaging. After frying, the Pringles are seasoned on one side using a waterfall seasoning process. Did you know Pringles offers over 25 flavors in the US and even more globally? After seasoning, the chips move along a conveyor belt for inspection and are then packed for shipping. Pringles mobilizes 100 trucks daily for global distribution. Environmental considerations. Pringles packaging, made of a metal bottom, cardboard body, and plastic lid, poses recycling challenges. In response, Kellogg's, the brand's owner, is experimenting with fully recyclable cans to promote sustainability. Thanks for exploring the Pringles production process with us. If you're amazed by the blend of technology and craftsmanship, like, share, and comment your thoughts below.